Hi everyone, my name is Gagandeep Singh and my mission is to help people live amazing lives. In today's video, we are going to talk about something that is relevant to all the human beings across the planet. And the topic of today's video is negative thoughts. Those tiny little voices that pop up in our head every time we are about to perform, be it a business presentation, a romantic date, a sport competition, or even a school examination. You must have noticed that whenever we are about to perform, we are flooded with these negative thoughts, and they massively outnumber the positive ones, and it is very hard to stay optimistic. Have you ever wondered why this happens? In today's video, we are going to talk about exactly this. This flooding of negative thoughts is actually a good thing for us. It's an evolutionary adaptation that has helped us survive for thousands of years. You see, when we were cavemen and went to jungle for hunting, we often encountered both opportunities and threats. Opportunities came in the form of resources like a dead animal or a fruit or a sharp hunting object, while threats came in the form of a predator hiding behind the bushes, or a snake lurking nearby, or a cliff that wasn't visible at night. If we failed to notice an opportunity, it wasn't that big a deal. At most, we would go hungry for a day or two. But if we didn't pay enough attention to threats, it could result in an instant death. And our bodies realized this imbalance and devised a mechanism where we would be constantly looking for threats. Don't eat this fruit, you might get poisoned, or don't go near the cliff, you may fall down and die, or don't go near the bushes, you may get eaten by a predator. This evaluation of threats around us is what we call negative thoughts today. But these are actually good and they have helped us survive during those days. In modern societies, we don't stay in jungles, and the threats we encounter on a day to day basis are very much different compared to those when we were cavemen. But our bodies don't know this. Every time we are around a threat and we need to perform, be it an office presentation, a school examination, or a romantic dream date, our sympathetic nervous system is activated, adrenaline is pumped into our body, our heart rate goes up, our breathing goes up, and we are ready to fight or run away from the situation. Is this a good thing or a bad thing? It's actually both. It is bad because when we are in our flight or fight mode, we can't think clearly. But it's also a good thing because we are physiologically and emotionally aroused and our body prepares us for the challenge. So the next time you are flooded with negative thoughts, go easy on yourself. They are absolutely normal and you are not being pessimistic. In fact, embrace these thoughts for the good intentions they have. They are nothing but tiny electrical impulses in your neurons that are trying to keep you alive. They are not real and they exist only to help us. So what do we do? How do we think clearly when we are flooded with these negative thoughts and they are distracting us from the task at hand? Well, make it a habit. Before each performance, take 6 long deep breaths. Each breath should have a 4 second of inhalation, 2 seconds of holding the breath, and 4 seconds of exhalation. This will switch off your fight or flight mode, activate your parasympathetic nervous system, and help you think clearly. It will also bring you back to the most important moment of your life, which is the present moment. That's it from my side. My name is Gagandeep Singh. I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you again next time.